Judges. 1 point red.
1 point red.
Fence. One-handed strike for red. Judges. Time. Jury. Judges, please.
That's 2 points blue.
2 points blue.
Fence.
2 points red with afterblow for blue. 0 points red. Fence.
Judges.
0.
0 points.
That's 1 point blue, first single-handed, then my blue.
1 point blue.
Fence.
Judges.
Judges.
1 point blue.
1 point blue.
Fence.
His arm.
Red. Judges, please. Time.
I don't know.
Judges.
Fence.
2 points red.
Just did by preference.
Fence.
They seem to do the right one, but I don't know if there's a preference or not.
No points.
Safety call.
First single-handed, then by red.
Instance continues. Fence. Done.
Judges.
Second one in the strike. Red is out of those. And we continue the exchange. Fence.
Second single-handed, then my blue. Judges. That's no point. That's 2 points for red, that's half a point, no point. Fence.
Judges.
Judges.
2 points red.
2 points
1
red.
point
And
red.
what's the final exchange? Fight salute.
Fence.
Yeah, 4 points red, 1 blue, Mike, 5